Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to make a raid on the channel on the Discord. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Discord mobile application. Once you will do it, now you have to create any channel, or if you have already a channel of the Discord, simply you have to click on it. And once you will do it, on the right top you will see permission option. Go to the settings from here, and once you will do it, now you can see channel permissions right here. Simply click on it. Here you will see two mode, basic view and advanced view. So simply you have to click on the advanced view. Here you will see roles option. After that you have to click on the everyone. Now here you will see permission. You have to click on the cross, like manage channel cross, manage permissions, create invite, send message cross, send message in thread cross. And you have to do this attach file cross, and add reaction cross, and read message history cross, send text to speech message cross, and use application commands cross. You have to cross all these options, and once you will do it, your read only channel of the Discord will be created. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.